Alright guys, we're going to do a visual condition report on this absolutely gorgeous 2016 GT3 RS 991.1. The car has 26,000 miles. It just had the 25,000 mile service completed, and it's also a CPO until June of 2026. The car has full body PPF on it. Every single component on this car has been fully protected. Spoiler to the front bumper, and they did a killer job on it. It's got brand new Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires. You got a brand new OEM windshield installed. It's got the carbon ceramic brakes. They look amazing. And this paint to sample VooDoo blue looks awesome with the matching roll cage in the back. Of course, you got the front lift, got the chrono pack, you got the Soul exhaust, and it is valved. Got the red cluster. I mean, this thing is absolutely gorgeous. So we're gonna do a visual condition report on it. We're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. And look on the website for the entire build list as well as all the factory options. So to start things off, this entire car is wrapped in PPF paint protection film. Full hood, full front bumper, these lights as well as the headlights. Now these are not wrapped. Full fender, mirrors, A-pillar, roof, doors, lower rockers. Now these graphics are on the outside of the PPF, so the PPF was laid and then the graphics were added back. Door cups, the door handles, quarter panel, spoiler, same thing here. The graphic is on top of the PPF, so you still get that nice matte finish to it. Now the back emblem though, here, or the graphic, the PPF is laid over it, as well as the front emblem on the hood. So full body PPF completely protecting the car. Now as far as condition goes, let's look at the front right wheel. Absolutely beautiful. I don't see any curb rash. All of this looks amazing. Very, very clean. Here on the fender. Now you're going to have little rock impacts on the film, but as far as damage goes, I don't see anything. All of that looks awesome. Little rock impacts on the film, but it's there to protect it. A-pillar looks good. They did a killer job on this PPF as well. All the corners look really good. The edge feels nice. Don't see any damage there. Now you do have a little snag right here in the film, just on that edge. And then you're gonna have your little rock impacts here in the film, but it's there to protect it. Now, like I said, with the graphic though, it is on the outside, so it has sustained some little rock impacts, but this is a very common area on these cars. Quarter panel looks good. Back bumper looks amazing. I don't see any curb rash on that wheel. You can see how clean that barrel is. Pilot Sport Cup 2s. This side looks amazing. All right, checking out the front end. Like I said, full front clip PPF, and it is over this emblem. Little rock impacts here and there. A couple snags in the film. And it's very, very hard to tell if any of that made its way through the film and actually impacted the paint. But most of these are pretty small, so I can't see that being the case. Now the metal here does have little rock impacts where it's exposing the silver behind it. Very common. And then you're gonna see the little rock impacts here on the front splitter. As far as damage goes, larger than those little rock impacts, I don't see anything yet. Now you're gonna have the impacts on here. Couple scuffs, a little bit of rash on that plastic. You have some rash right there. Other than that, this front end looks amazing. All right, checking out the driver's side. Got a couple snags in the film here. Trying to get as close as possible. It does not look like the paint was affected there. The rest of that fender looks good. That wheel is in great shape. I don't see any curb rash. Couple little rock impacts, couple snags in the film. A-pillar looks good. Roof looks awesome. Typical rock impacts in this area. A couple larger ones on that film. Quarter panel looks good. Wheel looks amazing. Zero curb rash. Back bumper looks good. Not much to pick apart on this side. Very, very clean. Here on the back, got the Soul exhaust. Sounds amazing. Like I said, full PPF on the spoiler. The graphics are laid on the outside, so they still have that nice matte finish to them. Spoiler looks perfect there. That looks good. Roll cage looks amazing. Looking at the taillight, I don't see any flaws there. All of this looks perfect. I don't see any flaws here. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker and it looks amazing. This upper panel is absolutely perfect. Buttons look amazing. All this Alcantara is perfect. There is nothing to pick apart on that door panel. It looks really, really nice. That trim looks amazing. Looking at the bolster, super clean. I don't see any wear there. That all looks amazing. VooDoo blue roll cage. That just looks awesome. Super cool. Got the matching key. And the inserts here look awesome. Super clean. All of that looks amazing. Got the Alcantara steering wheel, all the carbon. Got the red cluster here. We have the Sport Chrono. All of this looks good. Upper side of the dash is perfect. Got the upgraded cup holder here. There's really not much to pick apart on this side. Full Alcantara headliner as well as the visors. Got the built-in dash cam. Looks really nice, as well as the built-in radar. Nice clean OEM look. All right, looking at the passenger side, upper panel looks perfect. Buttons look amazing. There's really not much to pick apart on that panel. Looks really, really good. That trim looks amazing. A couple tiny scuffs on the plastic. All weather mats look good. All of that looks awesome. You have a tiny little indentation there. You have a couple indentions there from the seat belt. That bolster looks amazing. Really not much to pick apart here. Inserts look good. This side looks really nice. Got all the carbon here. Super clean.